Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing one of the most beautiful flowers, Dahlia. Dahlias are one of the most popular and eye-catching flowers you can grow in the garden. They stand out because of the color and size. You will find them in so many different colors. They also come in many varieties with different shape, size and height. Like this one here is a pom-pom variety. You can see how small and compact they are. You will also find large varieties with huge flowers bigger than a head. Dahlias definitely stand out in the garden and they make your garden look extra beautiful. Here in India, we grow them as annuals or seasonal plants during the winter-spring season. Growing dahlia is not difficult, they're quite easy. The best way to grow them is by getting small saplings from the nursery and then plant them in the garden. That is how I grow them every year. You can also grow them by planting tubers in the ground. That is another easy way of growing them. They also grow from seed and cuttings too. Let's talk about sunlight. Dahlias love sunlight, so plant them in a bright sunny area where they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. More sunlight will give you more flowers. They will not flower well in a shady area, but you can give them partial or afternoon shade when the temperature is too high to protect them from the heat. They grow very well in containers. I always grow them in pots. If you are growing them in a container, then choose a good size pot so they can grow well. A 10-inch pot is best for them, but you can also use an 8-inch pot. This plant I have is growing in an 8-inch pot and it's doing quite well. In a large pot, they will grow better and can have more flowers. Dahlias like rich, moist and well-draining soil with lots of organic matter. So use a good quality garden soil to prepare the potting mix. Use around 30% good quality compost. Add a few tablespoons of bone meal, some neem cake powder. You can also use some coco peat for moisture retention. As fertilizer, I apply liquid mustard cake fertilizer every week and bone meal time to time. Don't add too much nitrogen. Use phosphorus and potassium based fertilizer to get more flowers. They prefer a moist soil, so water them well. Keep them hydrated. Don't let the soil get too dry, that can damage the flowers. Also don't overwater them. Water when the soil is getting dry. If you want the plant to get bushy, you can pinch them when they are young. Pinch them when they are around 6 to 7 inch tall and you will get lots of side shoots. It will make the plant bushy and you will get lots of flowers. Dahlias can get quite tall and reach 6 feet in height, so they might need support, otherwise they will flop over. So stake them and protect them from strong winds. One of the most important part of dahlia care is deadheading. Deadheading is really important if you want to get more flowers. Cut all the flowers as soon as they fade. This will help your plant produce more flower buds and live longer. At the end of the season, you can take out the tubers from the ground and save them for next year. Dahlias can attract a lot of pests like aphid, mealybugs and spider mites. So keep spraying organic pesticides like neem oil time to time to keep them safe. So these were all the things you need to do to grow dahlias in your garden. They are lovely and you will enjoy growing them a lot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you next time. Bye!